Hello my dear viewers, this is Bushcraft Bear speaking to you live here from the Canary Islands, La Palma. I'm back here on the top of the hill and we will have a look at the volcano and the lava streams. Today the afternoon was very quiet. I did not feel any earthquake. The air quality was okay, especially here on the top here on the hill and here on the northwest side. Down in the city, I was there today too. The air was okay, was fine. A little bit busy this evening, many people around there. I think because we are going towards to Christmas, many people are in the city. With the lava streams, similar like yesterday, I can see the lava streams. I do not hear the volcano at the moment. There's no noise, nothing. I cannot see the volcano cone, just the lava streams. Evening report on the volcanic eruption on Thursday, December the 9th. In the southeastern zone of the main cone, several emission centers are active with sporadic pulses of strombolian activity and ash emission. The fissures and fractures in the upper part of the secondary cone have gradually changed its morphology, creating small landslides towards its interior and adjacent craters. The volcanic emergency on La Palma can last for months after the end of the lava. The eventual interruption of the lava ejection in the volcano La Palma does not mean that the emergency will end due to the eruption, as the degassing of both the eruption center and the currents can last for months, as the spokeswoman Maria Jose Blanco warned this Thursday of the Scientific Committee of the Volcanic Canary Islands Emergency Plan, PEVOLCA. The Cumbre Vieja eruption, the longest since the 15th century. Canary Islands government President Ángel Víctor Torres has given assurances that it is in the hands of science and the wish is for the outbreak to end as soon as possible, but it will likely be the longest since then it's the 15th century. There is one lava stream only 180 meters away from the new road that was built to Puerto Naos. Officials of the Guardia Civil have found a foreign citizen who has organized excursions with groups of people to enter a restricted area via various roads, paths, and to see the volcano of La Palma from a forbidden area, and reported a very serious crime which violated the norms set out in this report. Europe Press announced this. The events took place during the prevention service carried out by civil guard agents at the various entrances to restricted areas, practiced to ensure the safety of all citizens from the start of the emergency, especially when they surprised 4 hikers who were inside the exclusion zone. One of them admitted to being the organizer of such trips, for which he asked for a sum of money. UME officials, UME means Military Emergency Unit, have indicated that while some experts believe the outbreak will last no more than a month, they have deemed it necessary not to create false expectations as estimates are changing. They have stated out around 30 drones are flying over the area every day, which is important to reassure citizens who do not know if their homes are affected. Alright my dear viewers, that's all for today. We will see us again tomorrow afternoon here back on the top of the hill. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much for your kind comments and prayers. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.